Hello, I'm Nicole, the artist behind Art by Nicole, and today we're drawing on black paper. So let's go. Today I'll be using a variety of tools. I have a kneaded eraser, one of my favorites, a plastic eraser. This is a special chalk drawing tool that I got for creating grids on my dot mandalas, but I will link it below. This is a 2mm lead holder from Nick Pro that currently has 2mm white chalk from June Gold, and I will link both down below. And I have a sew line mechanical pencil with white chalk. This is a sewing tool, but it makes a great tool for drawing on white paper. Again, link down below. And then I have my reference photo here. It's a cute little white hummingbird and a white flower of some sort. And as you can see, I marked the grid. I have also marked the grid on my white paper, or marked the grid in white on my black paper. And the other thing I'm going to be using today is my handy dandy proportional divider. So this is just going to be a chill draw with me type video. I'm not going to talk a whole lot because I am losing my voice. So, gotta love allergy season. So I'll probably just put on some music and but just have you watch me draw. If you have any questions about what I'm drawing or how I'm drawing, how I'm creating the drawing, leave them in the comments below and I would be more than happy to answer those for you. Oh, I also have my handy dandy round table, turntable, which I love because then I don't have to pick up my sketchbook and turn it in different angles to get the right shape of the line, etc. So, quick note about these drawing utensils, materials. The sew line chalk pencil is easy to erase, as well as the chalk tool. The June Gold chalk does erase, but only when you use it lightly. If you put firmer pressure on the pencil, it does not erase as well. So, just a heads up. Okay, now I'm going to start drawing, I promise. Well, there you have it. My hummingbird, and I'm assuming it's some kind of trumpet flower. Um, Drawing with white on black paper is a lot of fun. It makes you think about what lines you need to put down because you're not putting down the shadows like you normally would. You're putting down the highlights. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy drawing on black paper. And I'll see you next week. Bye.